driving a Mazda 2 for the first time for the last few minutes. Wow, what an exceptional little driving experience this is. You know, haven't even exceeded, say, 35, 40 miles an hour yet. And from the solidity of the structure to every control to the sense of real connectedness to what the machine's about to do. A little bit jumpy in the throttle as you tip in, but that's a trick that I think almost everyone is pulling these days. I guess when you've got 100 horsepower, you want it to feel like more than that to the average person. Another situation where I'm making an unexpected maneuver and can one-hand it and feel in total control. But I was smitten actually from the moment I opened the door. I love the kind of European sensibility to this thing. The orange backlit gauges, which makes so much sense. It's very minimal and Spartan, but so clear and functional. Big rotary dials, clear gauges. Shifter falls easily to hand. It's kind of on a diagonal to vertical surface. I can see why this would be a hard sell to the average person, but you know, once you start driving the thing and using it as a car, it even exceeds the Fiestas that I've driven, which is saying a lot in the category. I mean, just the way it turns in there, so much fun, feels very neutral. So far, this 4-speed automatic is doing a better job than the 6-speed double clutch that I'm used to in a Fiesta. No strange noises, no lags between gears. Now that I'm on the freeway, I'm going to work the little guy. Absolutely nothing wrong with this little car. I would happily have one myself. The bigger bumps are dealt with less well than the smaller stuff, and certainly the body control being so tight makes it bobble a bit. But frankly, this is a rental car, and who knows how overinflated these tires are. Enjoy commuting in something like this. I can't see who wouldn't. It feels very easy to maneuver around. It goes back to the push I have towards a car that's only as large as you need for your purposes. Not something that I made up, something that came to me from a BMW engineer. I believe it's probably see why people thought it was a bit buzzy, because we're not used to a car where the engine has to turn nearly 3,000 RPM at 70 anymore. That's something that's more of a throwback to when cars were great, where you didn't need a downshift to get to the power, and where every car was not geared to fool the EPA. I really like this thing. Time giving it back. The funny thing is, I'm trading with a friend who is ahead of me in my E46. Wanted him to feel what a good E46 feels like, as a few of the people I know have experienced of late. Also wanted to get a chance to spend some time with this car, because it's something that I've been meaning to do. I know that Fiesta is related, but two cars that are pretty exceptional in their own ways. I didn't have this reaction to the Fiesta as dominantly positive a reaction to the Fiesta. I think the interior materials quality probably has something to do with that. This thing feels more robust and more almost gets screwed together than the Fiesta does, for obvious reasons.